Hello everyone. In this lecture, we're going to tackle and talk about a very important kind of email. And this is application emails. Or I'm sending an email to apply for a certain position, or to apply for an internship, or to apply for a scholarship. This kind of emails are called applying emails or application emails. Application emails has a certain criteria and certain rules that we have to go through to be able to write a proper application email to be approved from the recipient or from the entity I am applying for. Applying for a job by email. Applying for a job can be a difficult and daunting task for anyone, especially for those who are young and have just graduated. If you have just started looking for your first full-time job, then chances are you're very unfamiliar with the job you're applying to and with the entire job hunting process. And that's why I am giving you some professional styling tips that recruiters love to see in any email sent to them to apply for a certain job. First of all, you have to use a professional email address. Use your professional email while applying for an internship or a scholarship or a job. Try to use your first name and last name in your email address. Please don't use the emails you've been using while you were teenagers. These emails are not approved by professional recruiters anymore. So, for example, if a person's name is Robert Adam, then his professional email should be the first name and the last name and any email provider link or name. For example, it could be robert.adam@gmail.com. Second thing is that you should be very focused and brief. Make sure to keep your job application email very brief. Get to the point directly. The first sentence, the first paragraph in the body of your letter or your email should state your intentions very strongly. Recruiters will understand from the get-go what the email is all about. They will respect the fact that you mean business when you keep it short and simple. State what you have enclosed and show appreciation for considering your application. It is unnecessary to go beyond this further. One thing you can mention is your work experience if you have any, but even that should be very brief and straight. Number 3, the subject line. We explained it in previous lectures. The email subject line should include your name, the position you're applying to. This is perhaps the most overlooked portion of an email. Before opening an email, recruiters will read the subject line first. If it's irrelevant, your email will be deleted without being opened. And this is not what we want. Use only a formal greeting. As we stated in the last lecture, how to write formal greetings and how to write formal closings. An email for a job application should be very professional. This is not the place to be casual or friendly. If you write it in a very casual manner, it will come across as being an immature and disrespectful. Using the appropriate formal greetings and closings will convey a sense of professionalism and respect to hiring managers. Include a professional electronic signature. Your signature is simply a stylized version of your name or initials. An electronic signature consists of your name, your address, your email, and your phone number. This makes it very easy for hiring managers to contact you if you have left a good impression on them. Number 6, always add relevant attachments. Your job application email is only significant if it contains the documents to support your candidacy. State in your email that you have enclosed your resume, your cover letter, and any other necessary documents if required by the employer. Double check that you actually attached them. Sometimes applicants forget to actually attach these documents in an email. When a hiring manager cannot find them, they don't bother to look at the body or any information in the email whatsoever. And this is not the conclusion that we want to reach. Now I'm going to show you some templates of job application emails for fresh and young graduates and others for people who has experience but applying for new positions. Unlike a cover letter, business letter, or any other physical letter, an email does not require a header that contains your address and the company's address. So please don't bother putting a header in an email template. Now we're seeing template 1. Template 1 is a job application email for young and fresh graduates, and he is applying for a job announcement. And template 2 is for experienced professionals. This experienced professional wanted to gain a new kind of experience and decided to apply for a new position in another company. And this template shows how he wrote his email to address this company. Template 3, applying for an internship. This student or applicant wanted to apply in this certain internship, so he decided to write them an email telling them a bit of his experience and why he wants to apply in this certain internship. So, in this session, we have gone over several tips you should definitely follow to write the most professional and polite email if you want to apply for a job or an internship. Never forget to keep your subject line of your email as well as the body of your email brief and focused. It should not be as long as an essay. Your cover letter is there for that. Don't forget. Thank you.